In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sell items on Shopify. 5 minutes. By the end, you'll know exactly how to add a product to your Shopify store with a clear title, a helpful description, great photos, a price, and how to save your work so it's ready to go live. Start by opening Shopify in your browser and heading to your store's admin dashboard. From here, look to the left-hand menu and choose the products section. This is your central hub for everything you sell. It's where you'll manage your catalog, track what's available, and make quick edits as your business grows. Next, select Add Product. This opens the product editor, which is simply a form with the most important details you'll fill out. Think of it as the profile page for your item. Begin with a strong product title, keep it clear and specific so customers immediately know what they're looking at. Include essential identifiers like the product type, a key feature, and the color or size if it matters. Short descriptive titles are easier to scan and show up more clearly in search results. Right below the title, add your product description. Use this space to explain the benefits, not just the features. What problem does it solve? What makes it different? Include materials, sizing or fit guidance, care instructions, and any usage tips. Keep your sentences straightforward. Break long text into short paragraphs. And make the first 2 lines compelling, since that's what shoppers see first. Now add your product photos, upload clear, well-lit images that show the item from multiple angles and, if applicable, in use. Consistent backgrounds help your store look professional. Aim for high resolution so zoom features look crisp. Label images thoughtfully and consider adding alt text for accessibility and better search visibility. Set your price in the pricing area. Enter the selling price your customer will pay. If you're running a sale, you can enter the original amount in the compare at field so shoppers see the discount. If you track profitability, you can also record your cost per item here. It won't show to customers but helps you understand margins. When everything looks right, click Save. Saving locks in your changes and lets you preview how the product appears in your storefront. If you notice anything off, you can return to the editor, adjust the text, swap photos, refine the price, and save again. That's it, you've added a product to Shopify. Repeat this process for the rest of your catalog and keep refining your titles, descriptions, photos, and pricing as you learn what resonates with your customers. Happy selling!